Hi, I'm Vanessa Kynes and I'm a Pinterest marketing strategist for creative small businesses. On my YouTube page, you'll find Pinterest tips for increasing your visibility and driving traffic to your website. Today's video is all about my top 3 2017 blog posts and how those can serve you in growing your Pinterest presence. My top 2017 blog post is totally appropriate for this video, and it's entitled How to Get Noticed on Pinterest with a Small Following. In this blog post, I talk to you about my favorite strategies for gaining traction on Pinterest. My second post is tips from inside Pinterest headquarters. In August 2017, I had the opportunity to visit Pinterest headquarters in San Francisco, California, and I share my top secrets from inside Pinterest headquarters. And last but not least, my third most popular post is how to use hashtags on Pinterest. In 2017, Pinterest released the use of hashtags, and I think they're a really important and underutilized strategy that you can use to grow your visibility on Pinterest. I've had a great year sharing Pinterest tips for you. If you're looking for more, don't forget to subscribe to this page, or you can get my free Pinterest startup guide by subscribing to my email. I'm going to drop the links below in the description if you want to hear more about these blog posts. And have a happy new year, and I look forward to sharing more Pinterest tips with you in 2018.